After 5 years, Ronel and Shenara, when I ask you, kumusta na kayo, I'm not just talking about you, but I am talking about your relationship, your families, and your relationship with God.
Chengwa, sabi daw masakit yung long distance relationship. 90% kanuing ay mag-succeed. 10% lang mo rin magtagumpit. Buti na mo siya patakit 10% ang magtagumpit. Yun inaingal doon panay yung tamong parehas. At ano ako kasaya at ikay panayan ko kay Ngaltar. Kung ipopoyatin niyang ba siya, ako proud na proud kung atin Shenara na maging kayabe ka ng datangaldo, bulan, panwa at hanggang mabiyak. I love you, Chu, so much. Smile mo. Inganong tingguso. Yan talagang anakang kalago.
Ronel and Shenara, today we are celebrating your relationship, your love between one another. And that love is being sealed by your commitment today with the marriage rite.
Morning, darling, how'd you sleep? I've been waiting patiently for the road to bring you home. Take your time and take your rest. Take your place here on my chest.
Probably in your relationship, there is no insecurity because you think about more than insecurity, you are secured with the love of one another. And that is basically because of trust.
You're my quiet sip of wine, midnight walk in the rain. You're the writing on the wall when you whisper my name. So I hold on.
Today, you will begin to embrace the family of Shenara, the friends of Ronel, and everybody about yourselves. And when you embrace everybody, you are not just embracing the present, but you are also embracing even the past of your partner. This is not just about you, but this is about your families, your co-workers, your friends. And starting today, you begin to embrace each other, including their friends, circle of friends. That is part of the package.
You're my quiet sip of wine. You're my moment of truth. Oh, the writing on the wall leads me on home to you. So we hold on. You're my fire, my desire. You're my moment of truth. Every answer, every question leads me on home to you. So we
And I hope this will start a new and wonderful relationship. Congratulations.